Good afternoon, my countrymen. Please listen to me. Cheater free teacher fights with loan provided cheater. My dear countrymen, all of us know about personal loan apps activities in India. They show us 50, 20,000 and after submission of our whole documents, they show us small amount and give us 4,995 rupees but take from us 7,049. Very terrific of Akas of you know, my dear, it provides 13,000 rupees only showing on screen and in paying time give 9,100 rupees after due time shows on screen 13,991 rupees. How terrific. Please judge it. In this case, I have a question to all of you. Why these apps are continuing? Are they favor of us or favor of themselves? No doubt, without any reason, nobody takes loan from them. But there is no any difference between regular and irregular customers. My brothers and sisters, judge me. I never cheat anyone, but in pandemic period, I am already fed up. So totally, I am ready for oppose the system. I have taken loan from more than 23 apps last 1922 till now. I play with them and I never cheat them. Exceptional today. Already, I have written a suicide note. If any company takes me some threatening attempts, then I have already settled in mind to fight with them with judicially. I have no family after me. Nobody likes me, nobody helps me. I am adopted son. Last year, my father died. In situation, I have taken so many loans in local area, in local bodies, more than 20,000 rupees in interest I give. In pandemic situation, I manage very difficulty in 4 months. I have plowing land in Gulumthra. If I try to do something and I sell it and I close my doing loans, but without my 80 years old mother's decision, I can't take this type of action. For that, in meanwhile, nobody gives me rupees like helping. So I am very weak to take this line, choose the line. Loan providing is not bad. I think it's not bad. But high rate of interest and processing charges are different amongst them. One app has taken 300 rupees processing. Another app has taken 1200 rupees. Why? All apps are acting with mobile online trading. So why they have taken so many huge amount from us? If they are taking something, one time they may take. There is no any government restriction for it. It is pathetic. It is very sadistic, pathetic situation. Marketing always self-based, but if nobody comes to market, then how much period marketing will be going on? Quote it. So I am hardly calling you to fight with the injustically money transaction. Goodbye. जय भारत, जय उत्कल, जय विश्व परिवार। नमो नमः।